Second tripping today. Kung kanina nasa New Valley tayo sa May Agusta, ngayon nasa Laguna Bel Airport po tayo para mag-tripping ulit dito sa listing natin na for rent. So ito yung ating for rent guys. Itong property na to, it is a fully furnished po and 55k monthly lang po yung babayaran natin. So tara guys, silipin natin yung loob. So yan guys, meron na tayong 2-car garage at ang alam ko ipapatiles pa to ng owner and meron din tayong CCTV dito. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. So guys, kung mapapansin nyo, very spacious yung ating living area and dun po yung ating dining area and of course yung ating kitchen area. Elevated po yan kung mapapansin. So we have 3 rooms po upstairs.